Good morning, everybody. It is CoffeeEdu time here at Dice Up the Classroom. Which, speaking of which, I need to get a little coffee there. So today I'm going to talk about Quizizz. Quizizz is a wonderful quiz game, very similar to Kahoot. It can be played on any platform, from mobile to computer here, Chromebook to PC, laptop to, of course, iPad and iOS, as long as you have a browser. So this is how Quizizz works. You set up a free account here with your teachers, and of course you put the start button going. Now here's the difference: is there is a different assessment ability in Quizizz that I really like that you can't do on Kahoot and everything. But I love both, and the truth is you can use both of them here as admin, exit, slip ticket, as well as review. So we're going to get started. Of course, you hit the old start button here. It's going to ask you to either create or look up your reports, or you're going to look up your quizzes, but you can go right in here, you can do unit circles, so forth and so forth. So there's tons on here you can check. They even give you a little preview plane over here of your questions, so that way if you see if they're too hard, you don't have to use them, but you can do a lot of ones. But I'm going to select this one right here, which is HTML, and right here it'll show you right here what it stands for. It'll let you review the questions here, so if you can find out if they're appropriate, as well as the time. And what's even better, you can actually do an interactive chat feature here with your students. So basically, let's just log in really quick. Let me pop in my old email here. Put that on there while I'm finishing this up. Hold on a second. All right, here we go. All right. Having a little connection problem. Hold on a second. There we go. Okay, there we go. We're ready to go. So what happens is I'm going to hit play, and it's going to ask me to proceed. So I'm going to hit proceed. It's going to give me the code right here. So I'm going to pop in that code, which is, of course, 48807. I'm going to hit proceed here. It's going to ask you for your name. And as you can see, I'm doing it right here, interactive time. Now what's really cool is it actually selects avatars for you. So in this case, it does a phoenix, and it will show right here. It's right there, perfect here. It does with joinquiz.com. So I'm going to hit start here. And it's going to give a countdown on both persons, and it'll ask you the question. So, of course, the first question is, which character is used to indicate the end of a tag? End of a tag. See, it's telling them to answer the question. So what is the end of a tag? Usually the end of a tag is that. Oop, I got that one wrong. It will tell you. It would also mark right here, too. Pretty interesting, huh? So we go on to the next question. What is the correct HTML inserting for an image, of course? Well, usually for an image. Nope, see, we're looking off current on, but see, it's getting things like here, like we have Yoda coming up and everything. It does really interesting interacting here. How do you make a text bold? Well, that one I know. What the? See, I'm getting all my questions wrong. I'm doing pretty bad here. And as you can see, it's doing point system here. Well, that's hypertext. That's hypertext markup language. There we go. I got that one right. I got that point. Arnold shows up telling me that's right. It was now telling me who's getting it correct, how many are getting wrong. Only got 2 questions left. What am I line for center? Telling for a line for center. Well, that's this one. There we go. I love some of the feedback. These are automatic in here, so it's pretty cool here. Element defines title of a document. Usually that is for title. The title of a document. That's usually that one. Yep, there we go. So it'll do right here. Woo! I'm in the money. So it'll do right here. So it does the final answer. And right here, it says right there, I'm ranked number 1. It's going to give you order. Now, I actually can share here on social networks from Pinterest, Google+, Facebook, and Twitter if I want to. I can exit and play another game. It will review my questions for me, and will actually show me what ones I got right and what I got wrong. And then over here, what's awesome is I can save the data. I click on Save the Data, and it gets a spreadsheet right here. And this is what's so great about this spreadsheet. So I'm going to pop up this spreadsheet really quick. And what it's going to do, it's actually going to show me in a wonderful arrayed spreadsheet here exactly what I got right, who the student was, and everything. So right here, total attendance tells me right here what the question is. If they got it right, incorrect, or didn't try, they tell it who the student is right here, student level, and it will tell me right here what they got It will do the point from sent. It will even tell me the accuracy. So this is perfect for assessment with Quizizz. And what's great is this works on any platforms. It can work on mobile. It can work on desktop. Windows, PC, Google, whatever. It is fantastic here. It is a great quiz game, especially for into gamification. And it's a nice sister app to Kahoot. It has a little bit better assessment than Kahoot has. It also has live chat. You can do it with your students and everything. And it's not really hard to make up your own question. You just basically, if you want to create your own quiz, you click on it. And basically, it'll ask you to name it. Is it public or private? So right here, I can call this Periscope. Let's have a little fun here. And then you're actually allowed to upload an image for your question. But basically, once you got it in, you type in your question. You can actually text it, colorize it, everything. So I'm going to say, what is Periscope? I'm sorry, I'm holding this up. I don't have a stand for my phone. And you can put in the questions here. So let's say, looking device for submarines. Another question I can do, of course, is an app through Twitter. And I can actually highlight this and I can make it green, or I can text it or hide text it, make it larger, smaller. I can do a lot of stuff with this. I really like about that. And then, of course, my last question would be Periscope is streaming app, which is a kind of thing. The truth is, it's actually an app through Twitter is a big thing. It's a streaming app, yes, it is a device for some, but we're going to do this for the correct answer. So, and as you can see, it will colorize the questions right here. And once that's done, you make another question. So I can just say, what is CoffeeEdu? And as you can see, it's doing it in real time. Education chat over coffee, which is really what it is. Of course, my favorite. Somebody said, what's CoffeeEdu? And they say, we talk about coffee. Which you can. That was my niece here, so too many F's. And put that in correct. And then, of course, we just do that one. And when you're all done, you just hit, it automatically saves. You don't have to worry about it. And you can categorize this. So you can actually change it into grade level. So I can go all the way to grade 8 to university. And then you can do yours. So we're going to just talk computers and other. And I'll talk about your topics. So what I can do is say learning, networking. We'll do others. I really like this. If you do STEM or chess club or coding, you can do robotics. And you can actually enter your own ones in here too. So I can even just say coffee. I don't know why I'm putting so many F's today. And then you can do it. And you say, do you want to leave it? I say yes. We leave it. And there it is. Periscope's ready to do. So I'm going to play that. I'm going to exit and play another game of things. So we're going to hit proceed. It's going to give me my new code. I'll go over here to my iPad really quick. I'll pop in the new code. 37859. If any of you guys are logging in, you can go ahead and do this. And it'll keep my name as well as my avatar. Now I turn the volume up so you can hear it better. Three, two, one, go! What is a periscope? Y'all, that's right. Next question comes up. What is CoffeeEdu? Education chat over coffee. And there it is. It's wonderful here. I can end the game. And it's ready to go. The troops are over. So, and I can share if I want to. So I'm just going to share this on Twitter just to show what people say here. It's going to pop up a little answer here. There was Tony. And right there, current number 1. I'm going to tweet that out. And it's off. So everybody, that is Quizizz. Find out at Quizizz, Quizizz.com, Quizizz.com. So give it a try today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see everybody later.